Hi, my name is Brady Anderson. Thank you for ordering the pizza kits with the soup group this week. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to make the veggie pizza. So what comes in is going to be a pizza dough, roasted peppers, tomatoes, cheese, garlic oil, herbs, and onions. Please unravel your pizza. Make sure you get flour under your pizza so it doesn't stick to the floor. You want to flatten it out so you get every single piece of air out of the dough. You're going to want to try to get your pizza as round as it can be. Then when you get it kind of round, you can hang it from your hands. It'll bring it down by the weight of the dough. Now when you got your pizza all rolled out, you're going to want to grab your pan. Spray that down. Throw your pizza on. This is optional, but you can pinch the sides to make a little bit of a crust. So first you're going to take your tomatoes. Put them onto the pizza. Spread them out. Then you're going to get your roasted peppers. Spread those out with the tomatoes. Get your onions. Then you get your cheese. Just want to cover that up. You're going to get your herbs. Just want to spread that out a little bit. Then you're just going to drizzle your garlic oil right on top. Then you're going to bring the pizza over to the oven. So you're going to put it in the oven at 425 for 15 minutes. That's for both pizzas, the pepperoni, cheese, barbecue, and the veggie.